So guys, in today's video, we're going to be seeing some of the amazing collection like in fancy Banarasi section guys. Yeah, some of the newly, beautifully, these kind of the wooden box kind of items which are highly preferable in all the regions and states of India. These all are newly coming guys. Yeah, these all are the varieties with the exceptionally one of the photo also you will be getting. On that photo, you will be having the idea that how it's going to be look. So, in today's collection, something different going to be building guys, because many of the varieties we are seeing, we are just having some of the only exceptional silk variety guys. Yeah, but today's video we are seeing in many of the varieties like Dola silk, and apart from that some of the fancy varieties in grands exclusively Swarovski stones work with work you will be getting here. So any of the concepts you interested, have the screenshot and send to screen available number for the further details and inquiry. So let's start our video guys. In my hand the first collections you will be getting here with the beautifully threading tassels in the pallu, and apart from that you're going to be getting some of the Swarovski stone work also very well portrayed in the pallu guys, along with the beautiful patterns of designs you will be getting here. See guys how beautifully it was this, and apart from that on the both the edge of the side some beautiful small stones are sticked here. And in the saree guys, if the camera gonna be zoomed, then you gonna be noticing some of the Swarovski buttas work also very well crafted in the whole body of saree. See guys, such a classic item guys, these kind of the grand and classic items you will be getting in our company are just at the factory rate guys. What the difference I have to tell you, in your native area guys, in your native areas like your homes, your offices, in the native areas many wholesale showrooms or malls are there. This will be the part of blouse guys. See how artistic it will be on the contrasting designing of the whole body of saree. You will be getting these kind of the artistic concepts in particular blouse also guys, with the Swarovski small stone sticked diamonds also. See, in your native places many of the malls, showrooms, shops, boutique shops are there. They are selling the products with such a high ranges because they added their expenditures, they added their staff's wages or any of the other things, and then it make it more expensive than the real one. They are just the retailers or the wholesalers. But when you contacting the factory owner persons like us, yeah guys, with the help of medium of today's YouTube medium, we are reaching to you through the phone, through your mobile, and we are one of the factory owners guys. Factory owners we are having. So all you will be getting these kind of the beautiful cow designed, beautiful Indian traditional concepts in the pallu you will be getting here. See guys, with the golden zari coated work you will be getting. How beautiful it was this. And apart from that, many of the beautiful concepts you will be getting here, in which in the border also the same exactly cow traditional concepts with the beautiful flowered work you will be getting here. See. And when you're noticing these kind of the work in which whole the body of saree, then you're going to be mesmerized that how it's going to be look. Completely unique guys, completely unique. In this also, let me tell you, single piece, single color will not be delivered. You have to purchase in a set wise. Like the designs will be same, but the color will be different guys. See, like I said, in this also the same exact contrasting designing blouse you will be getting here. See guys, on the beautiful jareed buttas work. And let me remind you guys, many of the varieties you want to be seeing in camera, the exact will be delivered at your doorstep. Because I want to say that we are one of the genuine manufacturer in today's textile industry guys. We are one of the genuine manufacturers. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's my work to advertise my company, marketize my company. But it's also your work to choose your purchase. Choose your company wisely guys. Make the decision with the proper research. And the next variety I'm going to showcasing. See guys. These kind of the beautiful concept, guys. See how beautifully work you will be getting. Threading tassels in the pallu, and apart from the Shiroski stones work will be glamorizing the whole body of saree, guys. You're gonna be noticing how beautiful, how depth and designs will be created in the mode of artistic concept you will be getting here. See, guys, in these kind of the extraordinary designs. And apart from that, if you want to be viewing in the saree, on the back side, the proper viewing you will be getting on the back side also. See, guys, how beautiful it was this. And small beautiful Swarovski stones are also coated very well here. So guys, same to same exact concept will be delivered at your doorstep. Now, not having any kind of the changes, guys. I know many of the our viewers, our audience will be having the doubt that the exact product will be delivered to us or not. See, guys, these kind of the beautiful blouse you will be getting here, contrasting designing of the whole saree. See, and let me clear, guys, I know many of the customers are having doubt because many of the online misleading activities, online fraudulent activities are done in the market, guys. I know. So for that reason, we are one of the manufacturers company, guys. So for that reasons, in today's time, we ensure you that all of the concepts you see, the same exact product will be delivered. Sometime what happen, any of the concepts you like, but we are not having that kind of stocks. So we are saying directly to you that these items you needed, it will be the out of stock. Rather than that, choose another concept. We are saying wisely to you. There will be not having any kind of the changes or doing any kind of the misleading activities, guys. Exact product will be delivered at your doorstep. No need to worry. Next variety on the Dola silk you will be getting here. See, beautiful design in the pallu with the beautiful Swarovski work, and these kind of the threading tassels work you will be getting here. See, guys. And on the whole body of multicolor threading work you will be getting here. See, in this also the same exact product, and apart from that, guys, we providing the video call facility also. On that video call facility, this will be the part of blouse pattern, guys. See how contrasting and rich pattern in on the both the edge of the side of the blouse, and the small little bit Swarovski works are also very well done here. And apart from that, finishing also very well. And guys, let me remind you, all the varieties you want to be seeing will be in having these kind of the different color shades, guys. Many of the viewers are also get confused that we want to purchase a single piece item. So for that, I said previously many times also, so guys, no need to order single piece, guys. We are not the retailers or the resellers. We are the manufacturers, guys. So you have to purchase in a set wise, like in each set you will be getting these kind of the each set concept. See, this will be the whole set with the different shades, color, designs you will be getting. You have to purchase in a whole set wise, guys. That's what I'm saying. And guys, in this video, that's all. Give your precious comments, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम